In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat microphone on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone you have. So let's say you're trying to make a recording or anything like that, but Snapchat doesn't have access to the microphone. Well, what you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom. You're going to see apps. Over here, you just want to locate Snapchat. You can scroll through if you want to, or you can press search apps and type in Snapchat, and you're going to see it as one of the options. Once you go ahead and click on it, you're going to see microphone as one of the options. And if it's currently disabled like this, all you want to do is enable it, and that's literally it. You'll be good to go. If it still doesn't work, and while you do this setting, go ahead and swipe out of Snapchat or close it completely, then open it again while this is toggled on, and then Snapchat should work just as fine, and you should have access to using your microphone within the application. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.